In our today's video, we are going to show you some amazing pallet wood reuse ideas for your interior and exterior decoration. First of all, I would like to say thanks to all of you for being here, for supporting us, and for watching my videos. So let's get started. Pallet wood can be a versatile and a cost-effective material in use in both interior and exterior decoration. Here are some ideas for reusing pallet wood. You can create a statement wall in your living room or bedroom by using pallet wood to create a unique and rustic ancient wall. Pallet wood can be used to create all sorts of furniture from coffee table, bookshelves, gazebo, and the benches and the chairs. Use pallet wood to create garden beds for your backyard or the balcony. Simply stack the pallet on the top of each other and fill it with the soils. Create outdoor furniture like chairs, tables, benches using pallet wood. These pieces can be stained and painted to match your outdoor decor. Use pallet wood to create an outdoor sitting area, and you can also make a bed for your backyard. Use pallet wood to create open shelving for your kitchen or the bathroom or the bedroom for a rustic and functional touch. Create your own network by using pallet wood as a canvas, paint, or stencil a design onto a wood for a one-of-a-kind of piece. Use pallet wood to create a sign for your home and the garden. Stain or paint the wood and add a lettering for a personalized touch. Use pallet wood to create a unique and rustic flooring option in your bedroom and the home. Create a rustic headboard for your bed using pallet wood. Use pallet wood to create a wine rack for your kitchen and the dining room. Stain or paint the wood and add metal holder for functional and stylish pieces. Remember to properly prepare and treat the pallet wood before using it for any objects, as it may have been treated with chemicals that can be harmful for your health. Here are some additional ideas for you reusing pallet wood. Create a functional and stylish coat rack. You can also make a beautiful picture frame with it. Use a pallet wood to create a unique and rustic picture frame. Cut the wood to size and add a backing glass and the hanging hardware. Use pallet wood to create a base of a table lamp. Stain and paint or the wood and add a lamp kit for a unique and the lighting option. Create customer mirror frame using pallet wood. Cut the wood to size and attach to the mirror with glue or the hardware. Use pallet wood to create a room divider for an open concept living room. Cut the wood size and attach with hinges for a movable option. Create birdhouse using pallet wood for a functional and the decorative addition to your garden. Use pallet wood to create a firewood rack for your backyard. Stack the wood and attach with hardware for study option. Create a cozy and rustic bed using pallet wood and cushions or blanket for a comfortable sleeping spot for your furry friend. Use pallet wood to create unique and decorative bookend for your bookshelf. Cut the wood size and add a decorative design and stain for custom touch. Create planter for your outdoor and the indoor plants using pallet wood. And overall, pallet wood can be a versatile and sustainable material to use in both interior and exterior decoration. With a little creativity and possibilities are endless.